In Windows 10, there are many ways to display the system information. There are even different displays for system information. Let's go through how to get to it in different ways, and then let me show you two different ways to actually look at system information. The first way we're going to go to get to system information is through the Start button. Click on Start and click on the Settings, and next click on System. And that's one way to get there. Next way is a little bit simpler. Use your Windows key and the I for information. Click those two keys. From here, you can now again click on System, and you're right back to the same thing. That's the second way. Just use the keyboard shortcut of the Windows key and the I key and then select System to get to the system information. Let's do the third way. On the right side of the computer, the notification button or icon, click on it, click on All Settings, Information, and again, here's your system information. One more way. In the last video, I showed you how to pin the old control panel onto the taskbar. So now this time we're going to open the control panel that we had pinned in the previous video to the taskbar. Once you open it from here, you also have a way to get to the system information. If you do a left click on system in the old control panel, you'll notice that the display here for your system information is exactly the same as in the previous 3 steps. But there's now a different way through the control panel and the system icon within the control panel to display system information in a different way. Let me show you how you do that. This time, instead of doing a left click on System in the control panel, we're going to do a right click. And if you do a right click and select Open, you now get to see the old way that we used to display system information before Windows version 10 release 20H2. So you now know many ways to get to your system information, how to open it in different ways, but you also now know a different way to display that system information. Stay safe, be free. I hope this helps.